Hello, my name is Naomi. Welcome to FunScience Demos. Yesterday, Jared used a spoon to introduce you to our FunScience scavenger hunt. Today, I'll be using the spoon to talk about a different kind of science. With me today, I have a metal spoon and a plastic spoon. For all intents and purposes, these are both spoons, even though this one is a little smaller. When I feel this spoon, it feels cold to the touch. But when I feel this spoon, I can't feel any difference at all. What is it about this spoon versus this spoon that makes them feel different? Science. Stop and try to wonder why. Thanks for watching, and remember, science is so cool. Leave a comment below with your answer to today's scavenger hunt, and look forward to new videos every day this week. Bye-bye.